We're working on a bike here. It's a Pragma Glycogen high-end bespoke carbon serious. We want serious bike. Come on, these. Anyway, we've got a Dura 9000 shifter, notorious for shredding cables. I'll pull off the hood so we can see it easier. You don't need to do that though. And what I've done, this shifter is 7 years old and it was dead. It didn't work. So what we did is I sprayed a bit of lube in here, and I got to the cable at this point and like fished out of there, gave it some tightness and just sort of jiggled it around, sprayed it around, and now it's working again. So what I do is I use 2 hands and I pull on this one, and then I run it through the gears for about 20 times and just spray a little bit more in there, and now it works perfect. It works fantastic. So that's how you bring back from the dead a Dura Ace. You get these maybe for 10 bucks, 20 bucks online. People sell them as parts. I think they're dead, but they're not, right? As long as they're not smashed in half. So that's how you can get shifters. Just, you know, people just throw them in the bin and they're perfectly fine. They just need a bit of lube in here because it just gets stuck. I'll show you. I'll zoom in here. This little mechanism gets a bit stuck with a bit of, it just gets a bit stuck with dirt or grease or whatever, a bit of old. Make sure there's no cable heads frayed in there. If maybe there's a little cable gets stuck in there, and then this doesn't shift, and then the barrister, Rich Barrister, just says, "Oh, chuck it in the bin, mate. Just give me a new one." So the amount of shifters that get thrown out because they no longer work is pretty sad. And this is going to landfill. This isn't going to break down, but this is going to last forever, man. This thing's last forever. It's perfect. It feels brand new again. It feels fantastic. Well, 90% new. It feels fantastic. These shifters are 7 years old, still going strong. Pragma Glycogen, what a colour, eh? durianrider.com. We ship anywhere in the world. If you want high-end carbon, you're sick of paying too much, and you want your own custom paint, we can do that for you. This is how you restore any Shimano shifter. It works with any of them, all right? Don't chuck it in the bin. Lube it up, and get it working nice and juicy. Yeah. That's what I'm all about, trial on the side. That's what I'm about, man, is just saving things going to landfill, like, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you think putting stuff, give it a new lease of life is a good idea, thumb it up. If you think chucking the bin's a good idea, give it a thumbs down. I just can't get enough of restoring old product and getting it going again, giving that second life. Beautiful. Beautiful. Man, I love bikes. Absolute black chain rings. Just keeping stuff clean and tight. That chain's got a bit of rust in it because it's out in the sunshine, but a bit of squirt lube, she'll come good. She'll come great. There you go.